We've all heard the stories, the people who manifest effortlessly, attract abundance with ease, and live their dream lives. Maybe you've wondered why it seems so simple for them, yet it feels impossible for you. You've tried affirmations, you've visualized, you've watched countless videos and read all the popular books about attracting abundance, but something still feels stuck. Something still doesn't flow. You keep wondering, what am I doing wrong? Here's the truth most people overlook. Attracting abundance isn't about repeating empty affirmations or visualizing endlessly while secretly doubting yourself. It's about something much deeper, much subtler, and far more profound. It's about alignment, inner alignment. If abundance feels out of reach, it's likely because your inner world is not matching the outer reality you want to create. Sadhguru often says, life doesn't respond to your desires, it responds to your energies. Let that sink in for a moment. Life responds not to your words, but to the energetic frequency behind those words. Think about it. You can say you want abundance, but what's really happening internally? Are you secretly afraid that it won't work? Are you anxious about not having enough? Are you carrying beliefs from your past that abundance is difficult or that you don't deserve it? These underlying vibrations create a mismatch between what you say and what you feel. And life always mirrors your inner truth, not your outer claims. This is the real reason abundance eludes most people, not because they're undeserving, but because their internal energy is conflicted. They broadcast fear, doubt, and resistance instead of trust, openness, and acceptance. Consider this. You attract what you are, not what you want. If deep down you're vibrating at the frequency of lack, fearing you won't have enough, holding tight to what you already have, and always worrying, then you'll continually manifest situations that reflect those fears. So, how do you shift this inner frequency? The first step is awareness. You must recognize clearly what energies you're carrying. Are they rooted in lack, fear, and resistance? Or are they flowing from trust, gratitude, and openness? Most of us carry unconscious blocks we don't even recognize. Maybe you've learned beliefs from your parents that money is scarce, or you've experienced events that made you feel you don't deserve abundance. These blocks act like invisible walls, preventing the flow of energy in your life. Until you identify them and consciously release them, they'll continue limiting your potential. So, how can you practically begin shifting this? Start by observing your daily patterns around abundance and scarcity. Notice when fear creeps in, maybe at the grocery store, when you worry about prices, or when paying bills triggers anxiety. Instead of ignoring those feelings, acknowledge them compassionately. Realize they're signs pointing you toward the beliefs that limit you. Then gently challenge those beliefs. Ask yourself, is this thought really true? Often, you'll find these beliefs aren't rooted in reality, but in old conditioning or fear-based narratives. Next, consciously replace these fearful beliefs with affirmations that you actually feel and believe. Phrases like, I'm open to seeing abundance everywhere, or every day abundance reveals itself to me in unexpected ways. The key here is sincerity. Empty affirmations don't shift your energy, but affirmations rooted in genuine openness can radically alter your frequency. Another powerful shift is embracing gratitude not as a technique but as a daily state of being. Gratitude immediately shifts your energetic frequency. When you genuinely feel grateful for even the smallest things, clean water, sunlight, your heartbeat, you signal to life that you're already abundant. You stop waiting for abundance and start living in it. Here's a profound insight from Sadhguru. Abundance is not something you achieve. It is something you tune into. Abundance is everywhere, constantly available, but we often live disconnected from it. We treat abundance like something external we must chase after, not realizing it's already within and around us. Think of abundance like sunlight, always available, always present. You don't have to earn the sunlight, you just step outside and receive it. Similarly, abundance is about becoming receptive, not aggressive. If you're always pushing, striving, and forcing outcomes, you signal lack. You're essentially telling the universe, I don't trust you to support me. This frantic energy repels abundance rather than attracting it. Instead, practice releasing control. Trust life's inherent generosity. Notice how effortlessly nature provides abundance. The trees don't strain to grow leaves. The flowers don't panic about blooming. Nature thrives effortlessly because it's perfectly aligned. You can learn from nature. When you move with trust instead of fear, ease instead of anxiety, life begins responding differently. Another critical element many people overlook is generosity itself. Abundance flows naturally when energy circulates freely. But if you're always holding tight, refusing to share or give freely, you block that flow. Generosity doesn't mean reckless spending. It means energetically offering what you can: time, kindness, support, even a listening ear. The more freely you circulate your energy, the more abundance flows back to you. This isn't just philosophy, it's energetic physics. Energy given from abundance returns multiplied. Energy held from fear stagnates. Think of your own life for a moment. Are you generous with your time, compassion, kindness, resources? Or are you holding tight, afraid to give too much, afraid you'll run out? The answer reveals your energetic frequency. Adjusting this pattern unlocks incredible shifts. Sadhguru explains this beautifully. If you hold everything tightly, nothing moves. Life is movement, flow. Let your energy flow, and abundance will follow. To practically implement this, ask yourself daily, how can I offer my energy generously today? It can be simple: a genuine smile, a kind word, a helping hand. This generosity signals abundance powerfully. Finally, remember that abundance isn't just financial, it's holistic. It includes health, relationships, creativity, joy, and freedom. Often, people obsess over financial abundance and neglect these other vital aspects. Real abundance means harmony in all areas. Financial abundance comes more easily when you first cultivate inner peace, creativity, joy, and meaningful relationships. Focus on building holistic abundance. Prioritize your health. Nurture genuine relationships. Engage your creativity. Find joy in simple moments. As your internal frequency rises in these areas, financial abundance naturally follows. Life always matches your energy. The happier, freer, and more fulfilled you feel inside, the more external circumstances begin reflecting that reality. Here's the core truth I've discovered. If abundance seems blocked in your life, don't chase more aggressively. Instead, pause and reflect on your inner state. Check your energy. tune into gratitude, generosity, trust, and holistic well being. As you align internally, abundance stops being elusive. It becomes inevitable. Real abundance isn't complicated, it's deeply simple. It's the natural state of life, and it flows easily when you're aligned. When your internal frequency matches your desires, abundance appears effortlessly. Your job isn't to force abundance, it's to become an open, aligned vessel ready to receive it. The moment you truly shift internally, abundance no longer feels distant. It feels as natural as breathing. So today, stop chasing abundance externally. Turn inward. Align yourself first. The rest, money, opportunities, creativity, love, naturally follows. Because abundance isn't about getting more. It's about becoming more open, more grateful, more aligned with the flow of life itself. Do that, and you'll find abundance was never far away. It was always waiting for you to match your energy with your desires. Namaste. Namaste.